Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage the messages notifications on your account on Instagram easy and quickly. So first of all, enter Instagram and then click on your profile icon, go to these three lines, then go to the notifications and then go to the messages. So as you see here, we have these options like the message requests. So if you want to turn this off or on, the messages from individual and group chats, the message reminders off or from people I follow or from everyone, the group requests off on, the broadcast channel invites, broadcast channel messages, and the social channel messages. So that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.